Good evening, students. Now I want to explain the continuation of the factors affecting the rate of chemical reaction. One more fifth factor, that is catalyst. Catalyst. What is the role of the catalyst in the rate of reaction chemical kinetics? Catalyst, which is speed ups the either speed or down the rate of the chemical reaction. If it is set up an alternative path from products reactants to product with lower activation energy. If you take this is energy with respect to rate of reaction, this is reactants energy of the products. This is the without catalyst, the activation energy is this one. This is the activation energy of the this one. But with the catalyst, what will happen is lower the activation energy with catalyst, means it will proceed another path to alternate path to form the products with lower activation energy. That is the rule of the catalyst in case of rate of chemical reactions. That is, in case of contact process, the rate of reaction is directly proportional to in case of nitric acid. In this contact process, sulfur dioxide reacts with oxygen, they will form sulfur dioxide. That is, nitric oxide is a catalyst. That is, the rate of chemical reaction is directly proportional to the nitric acid. Next, one more factor, that is the rate of reaction depends upon the temperature. This is very important. We will next class we will discuss very deeply. This is depends upon the temperature. Generally, rate of reaction increases on increasing the temperature. This point you have to remember, very important. On every 10 degrees rise in temperature, generally the rate of reaction increases to 2 or 3 times. The temperature effect of temperature is explained by Arrhenius equation. What is the Arrhenius equation? K is equal to A into e to the power of minus EA by RT. This is the Arrhenius equation. This is the effect of the temperature on rate of reaction. Very important factor. This is how to must remember. Next, seventh last factor, this is concentration of the reactant. Generally, rate of reaction increases on increasing the concentration of reactant. Rate of reaction may also decreases on increasing concentration of reactant. Rate of reaction remains unaffected also. Rate of reaction may also depends upon the product of the concentration. Rate of reaction may depends upon one or all or none of the reactants concentration. These points have to remember, very important. In this rate of reaction, first you have to nature of the reactants. Second factor is physical state, and also third factor is surface area of the reactant. Fifth one is the intensity of the light in case of photochemical reactions. The fifth one is the catalyst, temperature, and also concentration of the reactant. These are the 7 factors which affect the rate of the chemical reaction. Thank you, students.